Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily disable display auto lock on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down until you find battery, and then make sure that low power mode feature toggled off, just like that. If it's toggled on, just hit at that switcher to toggle it off. After that you can go back to settings, where you can easily find display and brightness. Right here, scroll down for a bit until you find auto lock feature. You can tap on that. By default it's set to 30 seconds, like that, but you can change this auto lock time up to 5 minutes. And also, if you want to completely disable auto lock feature, you can just hit at never. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.